All right, so I want to now take a look at how to do multiple operations on fractions. And what we need to remember is PEMDAS, okay? Above this, there are some more instructions on PEMDAS, what they mean, but remember, it's parentheses, exponents, okay, so parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. But we need to remember that for multiplication and division, it's left to right. Okay, whatever we see first, we do. The same thing for addition and subtraction. This is also left to right. Okay, so as an example, we have 4 minus 2 times 5 divided by 3 plus 8 divided by 2 times 3 minus 6. Sometimes it's easier to simplify between the plus or minus signs as far as possible, then perform the addition and subtraction. So what we can do for this one, and I'm just going to write it out to show you step by step. Okay, what they're saying is put these lines, okay, where your addition and your subtraction is, and do the work in between them. So what do we see in between them? Okay, we see a 4 here. There's nothing to do on that side. Okay, but then, and we'll put the minus sign down, but then we have 2 times 5, which is 10, divided by 3, so 10 thirds. Okay, then we have our addition sign. What do we have here? We have 8 divided by 2 times 3, so 8 divided by 2 is 4, times 3 is 12, and then minus 6. So we have 4 minus 10 thirds plus 12 minus 6. At this point, you go left to right. So let's see, 4 minus 10 thirds. What would that give us? Well, let's see. We're going to have 12 over 3 minus 10 over 3. We might as well just find a common denominator. Plus, let's see, this would be 36 over 3 minus 18 over 3, which would give us what? 12 minus 10 is 2. 2 plus 36 is 38. Okay, 38 minus 18 is 20, so we'd have 20 over 3, which we get our 6 and 2/3. Okay, so that's for our first one. Now we have complex fractions. So we have 1 and 1/2 plus 2, that's a big 2, and 2/3 all over 2 and 1/3. And I already made one mistake. I should not say over, I should say divided by, because a fraction bar is division. And remember, sometimes it's easier, instead of looking at it like this, to rewrite it as 1 and 1/2 plus 2 and 2/3 divided by 2 and 1/3. Okay, sometimes that makes it easier. It tells us to do what's in the parentheses first. So we can rewrite this as 3/2 plus, let's see, 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8/3 divided by 7/3. Almost there. Okay. Well, common denominator would be 6, so we're going to get 9 over 6 plus 16 over 6, getting smaller and smaller here, divided by 7/3. So what are we going to have? We're going to have 25 over 6 divided by 7/3, which we can rewrite as multiplication. So now we can say we have 25 over 6 times 3 over 7. So see, these cancel out. So I am left with an answer of 25 over 14. Let's see, which would be, I'll have 1, and what will I have left over? 11/14.